Hello everybody, got a product review here on 1byone wireless doorbell, and it's a great little product. They sent it to me to do a review on it, and as you can see, the button here is supposed to be waterproof, and it's supposed to reach the other parts up to 300 feet away, and there's 36 different tunes on it, and it takes 4 AA batteries, 2 in each one. And on the button part of it here, it takes a little, I think it's a 2032 battery. It's a little 3-volt. And this just snaps right back on it. But as you mount it on your outside wall, there is a couple little holes here where you can put your screws through it. And it also comes with the screws and drywall inserts if you need them. On the back of it is your control buttons for the volume and tunes and that. And there's several different tunes you can do. Like I said, there's 36 different ones. And this one I don't have the batteries in. But it takes 2 AA batteries in each one of them. And it has the little slots here so you can slide your down over your screws. But there's a lot of different selections you can do on it. And you have the volume there. And I'll do the button here. It works pretty good. But it's a great little product from 1byone. And these here being wireless, you don't have to run the wires, which makes it a lot easier to put up. You know, there's just 2 screws to each one to hang them up with. And like it says, it'll pick up 300 feet away. And it's waterproof on your button, and the other parts go inside. So, but don't forget to check them out. They're on Amazon. Look up 1byone. And they're also got their own website called 1byone.com. And I'll put a link down below to their sites. And don't forget to like my videos, comment, and subscribe. And have a great day, everybody. Bye.